morning and Assalamu alaikum, my dear kids. I hope you are having a good day. Now it's the time for your maths lesson. And can you tell me what thing we have started in maths? Yes, we have started comparing things. It is called comparison, when we have two things and we compare them in different ways. In our last lesson, we have compared the sizes and we have seen how big and how small an object can be. And our today's lesson again consists of comparison, but our today's comparison is about length. We are going to see how long or short is something. Can you see two pencils on your screen? Yes, the red pencil is long and the blue pencil is short. Long and short. This is called the length of something. How long is something or how short is something. These words refers to the length of any object. Now, let's quickly see what our book is telling about short and long concept. So the book says this comparison is based on the length of objects. Just like the way I have told you. There is a very interesting question over here that can you find something shorter than your pencil? Yes, anything that is shorter than your pencil? Can you find anything? Yes, it can be a color pencil or anything that is shorter than your pencil. Okay, can you see what is present over here? What this picture is showing? Yes, this picture is showing two ways of transportation. There is a train and a car. And let's find out which is long and which is short. It is so easy to distinguish between them. Can you tell me what thing is long and what is short? Shabash! Yes, the train is long and the car is short. You can see lot of things in your surroundings and you can compare them and see which one is long and which one is short. So now let's see what is on our activity page. Wow, what a colorful page with lots of different objects. So the first question says, which slice of bread is long? Can you tell me? Yes, the left one is long and the right one is, what is the other word we use? The right one is short. Okay, the second question, which carrot is short? Now you have to identify the short one. Which is short, my dear kids? The right one or the left one? Yes, the left one is short. Very good. Now the third question, put a tick for long objects and cross for short. Okay, can you see two pens? Can you see which one is long? You just have to tick the long pen. And wow, two fish are here. And can you tell me which one is long? Yes, the shark is long. And this fish in pink is short. You just have to tick the longer one. So my dear kids, this was our today's lesson. And what we have learned in it? We have learned to compare the things according to their lengths. Yes, we are going to see that which is long and which is short. You are going to practice it with so many objects in your classroom so that you can easily identify the long and short objects. I hope you are going to practice that. So my dear kids, this was our today's lesson in which we have learned a very interesting concept. Now I am going to meet you again with another concept. Till then, take a good care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.